Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 8:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's Monday, December 13, 2021. This is not financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Share the video. Click the thumbs up. Here to talk about Link or Chainlink, Link US dollar. So here we are, Link US dollar, 1778. We still have this horizontal turquoise line. We put this here for a reason. It was all relative to what's going on with Link Bitcoin. More in a moment. But in the meantime, I'm going to zoom back out. We do have this long channel. And now we are dippy doing out of the channel. We could dippy do back into it or do what we call a bouncy boo back into the channel, but we'll see. But right now, let's go take a closer look here. We are still over it, and we did almost complete what may have been a proper head and shoulders pattern. We could still spike down and maybe pull back up again, looking also like a potential W pattern, which would resolve ourselves back into that channel. Now, why do we have this horizontal line? Well, there's only one way to see it. It's right here, Link Bitcoin. Link Bitcoin is still over this line right over here at 3622. A couple of things I want everyone to see right here. Chainlink, Link US dollar is equal to the inner strength of Link or Link strength compared to Bitcoin. So it's Link over Bitcoin. Multiplied by the benchmark, the reserve currency of the crypto market, Bitcoin. The ultimate equation actually is below. When we say Link US dollar, we're saying Link over US dollar. When we say Link Bitcoin, we're saying Link over Bitcoin, mathematically speaking. And then multiplying this Bitcoin US dollar, which is how much is Bitcoin relative to the dollar. That's what we talk about here. One Link equals how much in US dollars. One Link is how much in Bitcoin. One Bitcoin is how much in US dollars. If you scratch off the Bitcoins on the bottom, you're left with Link over US dollar, which is what you see on the left side of the equation. Now, let's go into the market now that we know that. So we're going to look at two underlying components of Link US dollar, which is Link to Bitcoin or Link BTC multiplied by Bitcoin itself. And we do this on every single video. So here we are with Link Bitcoin. This is the first thing, which is one of the underlying pairs of Link US dollar, which is linked to Bitcoin. And we are definitely bound between 3644 and 44.19. And we're still in it. We're not moving much, right? So this seems to be in check here. So definitely feeling very comfortable with a line of support at 36.33. Now let's look over to Bitcoin itself. Now, Bitcoin itself is literally, it almost also completed a head and shoulders pattern, literally sitting roughly around that area of support. 46,600 is the rough area of support. Look, we could dippy doing in here and in there, but this thing could potentially crack down to 44K. I think 44 is the ultimate low, and then a kick back up again. We do have a resistance area to break here. And make no mistake about it, the more time that passes, the easier it is to break this thing. So right now we are at 53,000 to break it, whereas not too long ago we were at 55. So we're definitely on a downtrend here, but this is a bullish broadening wedge such that once we break through the resistance line of the broadening wedge, we should come all the way back up to where this thing started. That's right, 68,000. So let's go into Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance is on a tear. Bitcoin dominance is on a tear in the channel. Now, finally, we figured out what the channel looks like, and it is certainly going up. But it's not going up too fast like what we saw over here when we had a real shakeout in the Bitcoin market initially back on December 8th. So 5 days later, we're starting to see a massive run up from 40.35 all the way up to 41.93, a good 150 plus basis points or 1.5%. Now notice how this is a pretty tight channel, whereas this was a steep oscillating channel. So now we're tightening up over here, which is good. We don't want to see too much of a spike in fear. So we'll see. We're going to tread carefully here. So right now Bitcoin's is 46K, Link's is 1777. And remember this formula. Goodbye.